Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for seventh grade. Okay, remember, this video is for seventh grade, and we're gonna do two activities. This video class, is about pronunciation. So I need as you try to pronounce, you need to try to follow me and then repeat after me. So there are two activities that you need to do. Activity one is listen and then you repeat. Okay? Very simple. Listen and repeat. Activity two, it's listen and read and copy. So you listen and copy. You copy the phrases on your notebook because you have to say me in the classroom. So one day you're going to sit down and you're going to say, okay, I wrote these phrases from the field and I can pronounce. Okay. So let's start. Listen and repeat. Activity one. Activity two, listen and copy the phrases. Remember, today we're going to study with Phil. It is coco. So it's very nice because this is the way we can learn how to learn another way, another form. Okay, and that's what I need you to do. I need is you. So let me see. So remember, the idea is listen and repeat. So this is what I need you to do it. I need as you listen and read and I mean listen, read and speak. Three activities. Listen, read and speak. Okay? Let me see. So you need to look here and repeat. I very slow, very simple. I know I'm not supposed to. So you need to repeat. I know I'm not supposed to. Very simple. So you need to repeat. I know I'm not supposed to love music. Very simple. So the idea is listen and repeat. So activity one, I know I'm not supposed to love music. Okay? So you continue. Like if he could play music, maybe. So you need to read. Like if I could play music, maybe. Like if I could play music, maybe something I could do there. I could to the music competition for day. Okay. Now you repeat this competition for Dia de los Muertos. You want to be like. Listen, you want to be like your hero, you should sign up. So I listen and repeat. So you want to be like your hero, you should sign up. You listen and repeat. Okay? Let's start. Let's continue. Show me what you got, muchacho. So you need to repeat, show me what you got. But remember, the idea is also repeat this. To be like your hero, you should sign up. Show me what you got. Know your tricks, Mariachi. What? What did he say to you? What did he say to you? He was just show me his guitar. So you need to repeat. Tricks Mariachi, what did he say to you? He was just show me his guitar. That's what you need to repeat, okay? Keep away from him. You come home. Crown Lane, Crown Lane, I found your son in Mariachi Plaza. So you need to listen. Crown Lane, I found your son in Mariachi Plaza. Began tonight. What's was tonight? Well, talent show. The other Los Muertos. No one's going everywhere tonight. It's so repeat. No one's going everywhere. Tonight is about family. Family. So their spirits can cross over. That is very important. That is very important. I don't want you sneaking off to 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 who knows where. Where are you going? Where are you going? I don't want to see you end. So repeat. I don't want to see you end up like Mama Cockles. Never mentioned that man. Never mentioned that man. Because mention that man. Because I care again. Life gets me now. I play my guitar. No more hiding, Daddy. I got a. So you listen and repeat. Life's get me now. I play my guitar. No more hiding. Daddy, I got at. I got a decided. It's time to join the simple. So repeat. I got a decided. It's time to join the simple workshop matches. You see, so you need to repeat. I got a decided. It's time to join simple workshop washes. Just like your dear Victoria and Winstips, like your Papa Julio. Mama Coco is your pap, Ernesto de la Cruz. Very simple. What is all this? You glad? So, what is all this? You got glad madness with Luke Gross, the greatest musician of all time. This is not future for my son, but boy, you you just said my family would guide me. Hey, can I still sign up? You got an instrument? Hey, can I still sign up? You got an instrument? No, excuse me. No, excuse me. Can I borrow your guitar? Sorry, muchacho, you guys have a secret. Are I need to borrow this. Okay, so you remember, you listen and repeat. That's all the exercise that I need. We're gonna watch this film